At PMA, they are preparing leaders not only for today, but for tomorrow. They are providing the mentorship that needs to take place to make you successful in every aspect of your life, not only today, but for tomorrow.
I would personally recommend a student to join PMA because it can actually give you experience to become an aviator.
When you come to PMA, you're going to learn how to fly, simulate flying, and you're actually going to get an opportunity to go flying in person. You're also going to get an opportunity to work with drones, building drones, and flying drones, and programming drones.
My favorite thing about PMA is the aviation program and also just the general friendly environment around. I really love the military side of it.
PMA taught me how to lead and gave me the opportunity to lead.
PMA will give you a chance to explore possibilities about your future. You'll actually be able to see what is out there.
I'm a very competitive person, and because of that, I love PMA.
At PMA, leadership is one of the pathways, and it is, to me, one of the most important pathways in anyone's life is to have leadership and vision of where you're going. And to have that provided to you at such an early age is going to serve you well not only today, but for tomorrow.
Here at PMA, we just don't teach by the textbook. We actually put you in the aircraft for hands-on.
Here at PMA, we prepare you to be college and career ready, and every day we live by our motto, leaders forged here.